Here's where to find the Flower Dance Festival in Stardew Valley. The Flower Dance only happens on the 24th of spring every year. Make sure it is that specific date or the festival will not be there. The event begins at 9 a.m., so you cannot access it before then even if you are already in the right location. Head to the Cinder Sap Forest near Marnie's Ranch. You can get there by going straight south from your farm or by crossing the main town square and heading left. As soon as you enter the Cinder Sap Forest on that day, you will be greeted by the festival immediately. At the flower dance, you can talk to villagers and ask certain bachelors and bachelorettes to dance with you, but they will only say yes if you have at least 4 hearts of friendship with them. Getting rejected is one of the most common surprises for first-time players, so build those friendship levels in spring before the 24th if you want to participate in the dance itself. If this helps you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.